Speed made good. Practice problem 1. You are underway on course 230 true at 12.5 knots. The current is 180 true at 1.7 knots. What is your speed made good? Okay, let's do it. So first thing we're going to do is get our course, 230 true. So we'll find, I like to find 230 on the board, put my pencil on it, and then line it up with the center. Strike a line. There, now I have 230. Sometimes I like to keep track of it, just, course 230. 230 at 12.5 knots. We're going to save this 12.5 knots for later. Current is 180 at 1.7. Okay, 180 is here, straight south. And we're just going to, the further you are away from the center, so the further your 2 points you're lining up, the easier it is to be accurate. So I'll start here, and then I'll say, okay, I know this outer ring on a 2-to-1 scale is 2, and I'm at 1.7, so drawing it out to the outer side is long enough. Then I'll take my dividers, and I come over to this 2-to-1 scale. There's a 1-to-1 scale here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but there's a 2-to-1 scale over here. So when your speed is 12 knots, you end up off the page. So what you do is come down to your 2-to-1, and we're going to get 1.7. So this is 2 right here. And this is, so here's 1, 1, 5. 1.75 will be in the middle. So I just make it like a skosh less than the middle. And then you go from the center, sweep a little bit of a line into your mo board here, and then there you are. That's your current. So here's your course, here's your current, and then your speed is at 12 knots. We're going to add 12 knots to the end of that current. It's 12.5 knots, excuse me. So here's 12, right? And there's that little tick mark in between. 12.5. So we'll go from the end of our current. Our current pushed us this far in that time, right? So there we are. It would intersect our course here. And now we just measure this speed. These mo boards are cool. It's like a analog calculator. You don't push buttons, you just take measurements. So here's, with the current added to our course and speed, the current's a vector. It's got a direction and a magnitude, of course, and a speed. And then our course, we have a speed and a course. So we have a direction and a magnitude. And now we're just physically adding the two together. So this is going to be our speed made good. We take it over to the scale, and it says 13.5, maybe 13.6. It's a little bit further than 13.5. Let's see what we get. I got a 13.6 here. I would say that is correct. Let's check. Yeah, 1 is C right there, 13.6. I will see you on the next problem. If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider when getting your captain's license.